Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics here to show you some cool stuff. What I want to do today, guys, is show you this little hidden trick in Adobe Photoshop to change colors of certain parts of images within Adobe Photoshop. I have this image of this gentleman here, and what I would like to do is to change the color of his t-shirt. I want to show this little hidden trick just to make your lives easier moving forward, and obviously implement the styles and the tips and the tricks that I show you today into your designs, and I guarantee you'll be able to create some really cool, interesting pieces of work. So with that layer, I'm just now going to just unlock it by just clicking that padlock. And with that layer highlighted, I'm now going to go to Filter and Camera Raw Filter. Okay, so what we need to now do is come over here, and we need to make sure that we choose this masking option here, like so. And then what we do is you come to the object section here, and then we add. Then what we must do is make sure that we select objects. Okay, so with this brush now, what I need to do is just come through and just select the area that I would like to change. So I'm just going to go through here like so. Just go around the edges like so. You can be a little bit rougher with it because Photoshop will recognize the area that you're trying to change. Just bear with me like so here. Now what I may do actually is just come through now and just actually fill in the middle of this element here. So I may even come through actually and increase the size of the brush using the keyboard shortcut. The brackets, well, as you can see, that's registered the whole amount there. Fantastic. And then let's come through here and add this section in here like so. And this little area here as well. Okay, so now the system has recognized the area that I would like to change. What I'm now going to do is scroll down to the bottom here, and we have all these options to change and edit the final effects. The first one here is the hue. So if I now start to change that hue, as you can see now, I'm really changing the colors of that t-shirt. I'm going to go for a sort of a green color there, like so. Then if we scroll down, we have all these options of saturation. If you want to make it brighter and give more saturation to it, which I do, increase it to about 30, let's say. Let's scroll down, and we have all these effects options here. So I'm just going to increase the clarity just to make it a little bit more sharper there, like so. Maybe add a bit of texture as well. Maybe come through and just make the blacks blacker there, like so. And as you can see, we've really changed the color of this t-shirt. I'm now going to press OK to commit the changes. And there you have it. That's that little hidden trick in Photoshop to change the colors of elements within an image. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.